Hello, this is Westgate Real Estate and Property Management, and I am outside of 209 Wellness Way in Rohnert Park. I'm going to walk you through this 3-bedroom, 3-bath townhome in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the outside of the building and the surrounding neighborhood. This is a new complex here in the W section of Rohnert Park. It's near Sonoma State, shopping, a lot of really nice features, a park directly across the street. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the door so you can hear that it's quite quiet once you come inside. First bedroom downstairs. This would make an excellent office. And it does have a full bathroom, which is really quite lovely. I'll give you a view of the shower as well. And back to the bedroom. There's a 2-car garage. And access is through this door. The lights do turn off. Oops. There we go. So really efficient home here. Go take a look upstairs. There are 3 levels to this home. So at this level is the kitchen, living room area. Just a really nice open space and access to an adorable balcony. A really large island. New appliances, electric range. I'll take you out on the patio as well. It really is quite lovely out here. You look out over the park. You can see the Sonoma Mountains. It's really lovely. Now we'll go upstairs to the bedrooms. It's really nice that this home each bedroom has its own bathroom, and there's lots of storage. So through these doors, you find the washer and dryer. So nice that it's upstairs. So this bedroom faces the back of the home. And again, this one has a tub and shower combination. And the primary suite is pretty nice sized, and it has a little desk, mini office right here, really beautiful views of the Sonoma Mountains here, as well as a lovely bathroom area, privacy toilet, large shower, double vanity, and a really nice sized walk-in closet. So again, this is 209 Wellness in Rohnert Park. Thank you so much for watching.